At this point, the grade 5 students are handling lighted candle, which symbolizes a lighted path and a bright future, while the grade 6 students are holding garland, which signifies achievement. The grade 6 students will now don the garland to the grade 5 to their grade 5 counterparts. You may now don the garland to your grade 5 counterparts, grade 6. May grade 5 achieve whatever achievements this grade 6 have. Now, the grade 5 students will give the lighted candle to the grade 6 students. May these grade 6 students will have a bright future ahead of them. Grade 6, you may now blow your candles.